You need fresh seeds. Older seeds will take longer to germinate or may not germinate. Soak seeds in water for 24 hours. Now prepare soil. Mix some river sand in soil to make it free draining. Take a small pot having drainage holes. Fill the pot with the soil mixture. Throw away any floating seeds, they are not viable. Note that the seeds have swollen and ready for planting. Plant the seed about ½ inch or 1 centimeter deep. Water and cover the pot with a plastic sheet to maintain high humidity inside. Place pot at a warm place, temperature above 20 degrees Celsius. You can place the pot indoors if outside temperature is low. Keep the soil damp, but not soggy. The seeds will germinate in 2 to 5 weeks. Transplant the seedling when it grows 2-3 leaves. Mix some cow manure and sand in soil. The cow manure makes the soil nutrition rich and the sand makes it free draining. Fill a pot with the soil and plant the seedling at the same height. Place pot in shade at a warm place. Keep soil damp. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you get notification when I post new videos. Also please like and share the video. Thanks for watching.